So, do you have a place in your house that doesn't have any lighting? Maybe up underneath your cabinetry to kind of give like a nice glow in the evening when lights aren't on. A closet or somewhere that doesn't have a light and it really needs one. I got you because I have the same issue. So this is a rechargeable light. So it comes with the cord, nicely packaged. Right here. Okay, so you're gonna charge it 100% before you use it, just to ensure the battery life is to its full potential. The lights, and then stickies. You just take the stickers off and you're going to put them up wherever you want. So like I said, this would look really nice if you wanted under cabinet lighting, like in your kitchen. I am actually going to be putting it in a closet for whatever reason. There's absolutely no light in my pantry. So I'm going to install it there and show you guys how it looks, how easy it is to install, and you're gonna want one of these. I mean, literally, just take the stickers off. And I love that it's rechargeable, so you're not always having to replace batteries. Recharge, you got your online on button, and also the color lights. So you can do a white light, flash. So let's get it up. Okay, so here is my pantry, and as you can see, it's very dark. It doesn't have a light in there. So let's fix it with that new light. So here is the light installed, and as you can see, it really brightens up my dark pantry. And let me show you how easy it was. So say this is, the battery's dead and we need to recharge it. All we have to do is take it off, because these stickers that we added are magnetic. So super easy to install and charge.